Can't stop the fun when business isn't and can stop the joy. When you worry no more, don't settle for then comfy business. Let's go to trustworthy and bliss. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, building business, building future. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, not just for business, but a stable one. ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Whoa, oh, 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 all you need is ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Be your major distributor.
And yes, this 2025, sa mga gustong maging direct supplier at gusto maging direct supplier sa mga resellers sa lugar nila, ZY Go Direct Importation, ang talaga namang para sa iyo. As this 2025 changes the game of direct selling company, ZY Shop is now stepping up. And of course, we are giving you the way para ikaw naman ang magkaroon ng direct selling company ngayong 2025. So, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag from ZY Shop Worldwide Company. So, ZY Go Direct Importations, guys, empowers entrepreneurs and businesses by providing seamless access to high-quality products from Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand through expert guidance, trusted supplier connections, and personalized support. We simplify the importation process, enabling our partners to expand their businesses and build sustainable distribution system with confidence. Yes, mga mare, this time I am giving you the way para ikaw naman ang maging CEO ng sarili mong direct selling company. ZY Go Direct Importation is a business by the people, for the people. A business with a purpose and an innovating business. For years, ZY Shop XYZ formulas, we help Filipinos, OFWs, employees, stay-at-home moms and dad to start their own clothing business and fulfill their potential to achieve financial freedom. And for years, it is very attainable for people to start their own business with the power of ZY Shop. And now, paano kung ikaw na mismo ang magkakaroon ng sarili mong ZY Shop Direct Selling? Pero syempre, hindi yan nakapangalan sa ZY Shop, mga mare. Nakapangalan yan mismo sa'yo bilang ikaw ang CEO. Ako ay importation partner mo lamang dito. 20% ng profit natin, mga mare, napupunta yan sa ating mga outreach program, sa ating ZY Shop Foundation, because the secret of living is giving. And of course, ZY Shop CEO and founder, Dr. Ram Dagdag, yours truly, mga mare. Nandito ako para tulungan ka, gabayan ka sa pagsisimula ng negosyo mo ngayong 2025. Si ZY Shop wins big sa 22nd Kuala Lumpur 2021 awards, 2020 awards, 22, 23, 24, and of course, sobrang dami na ng awards na nakuha ni ZY Shop that makes it most trustworthy. So, with that, guys, and of course, yours truly is the ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship. That's why mas pinalawak ko yung vision ko kung sino yung mga gusto kong tulungan sa pagsisimula ng kanilang direct selling company. Because for 10 years, ZY Shop has become more successful when it comes with direct selling. So, I am thinking of paano kung ikaw naman ang tulungan ko na magkaroon ng direct selling company mo. Kasi okay na ako, guys. I am settled in. All I want in my life is to help people achieve the success na nakuha ni ZY Shop for 10 years. And now, I wanted na ikaw naman ang magkaroon ng isang ZY Shop Direct Selling Company or your name, diba? Your company name. So, throughout the years, ZY Shop is also known for this ZY Entrep Academy that we build wherein we guide every entrepreneur na nagsisimula ng kanilang negosyo. Because I wanted na mas seamless yung pagsisimula ng negosyo, mas seamless ang pagsisimula ng kanilang direct selling company. Si ZY Shop is also known for building communities such as Negosyanteng Pinoy. Negosyanteng Pinoy na nagtuturuan kung paano nga ba aakyat ang bawat isa. Starting is your foundational key to success, Maybe all of us has dreams of being financially secured, dreams of being successful, dreams of being a business owner, dreams of being a CEO. But starting is of course your foundational key to success. Hindi ka naman magtatagumpay sa pangarap mo na yan kung hindi mo yan sisimulan. Kaya tara na, simulan natin ang pangarap mo. So here is a quick overview of our presentation for today, guys. So I will be discussing with you the brief overview of the business. So why CY Go Direct Importation is the best partner that you can have. What are the services that we offer and how it works. So as for the company profile, CY Go Direct Importation is simply the CY Shop Worldwide company. It is actually our rebranded company department wherein a wanted naman na before we are looking for provincial distributors, city distributors, resellers. Now, I am looking for people who wanted to start their own direct selling company at sila na ang maghahanap ng kanilang provincial distributors, city distributors, at resellers. So, CY Go Direct Importation is a premier business solution provider specializing in importation services from Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand. We empower entrepreneurs and businesses to source high-quality products directly from these thriving markets while offering comprehensive support to streamline the importance of the process or the importation process. Of course, our mission is to simplify global trade, foster business growth, and help our client create sustainable distribution system that elevates their operation. As for my profile, of course, I'm Dr. Ram Dagdag, a visionary entrepreneur and business strategist who has been building successful business ventures since 2014. With a passion for empowering individuals to achieve financial independence, Dr. Dagdag specializes in guiding aspiring entrepreneurs and establish businesses in creating sustainable growth through innovative strategies and international trade. Of course, under my leadership is CY Go Direct Importation, was founded to simplify global trade by connecting businesses with trusted suppliers in Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand. My expertise in developing personalized business system has transformed countless ventures, enabling to scale up effectively while maintaining operational efficiency. Of course, as for our mission is to enable businesses to thrive by simplifying importation process, connecting them with reliable global suppliers, and providing expert guidance for creating robust distribution system. To be the trusted partner for entrepreneurs and businesses worldwide, transforming the complexities of global trade into seamless opportunities for growth and success is our vision. Integrity, empowerment, reliability, innovation, and customer centricity is our core values. So why CY Go Direct Importation is the best partner that you can have in building your direct selling company? We have growing demand for affordable, high quality products here in Asia. And of course, challenge faced by small business in importing complex custom processes, difficulty finding reliable suppliers, and lack of knowledge in the logistics, we got it all covered. Simplifying the process and providing support on every step of the way. That is our solution para makapagsimula ka at maging direct supplier ka na. So ano pang hinihintay mo? CY Go Direct. And of course, who we serve? Aspiring entrepreneurs. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur who want to start his or her direct selling company, CY Go Direct is for you. And of course, those who establish online sellers looking to expand their product line and small businesses aiming to scale with the distribution system. Supplier sourcing, distribution system training, and market insights is the services that we offer. Why choose us? Expert guidance advice. Trusted partner, cost efficiency, and we are after your business growth. Meron ka pang free access sa ating CY Entrep Academy wherein we study master classes in entrepreneurship, digital marketing, wherein we will unlock your potential as an entrepreneur. Simple steps to success. All you have to do is to log on to our virtual office via Zoom, consultation via Zoom, assess your needs and provide personalized recommendation. Ano ba yung gusto mong products na ibenta para mahanapan ka namin ng supplier at i-go direct na natin yan. Supplier product listing, match you with the trusted manufacturers. Distribution setup, yes, tuturuan ka din namin kung paano mo gagawa ang iyong distribution system since we are after your direct selling company. We will help you establish your supply chain and distribution network. So what are the steps to become an importer through CY Go Direct Importation? So initial consultation and business assessment, what to do? Reach out to us so that we can have an initial consultation via Zoom. Discuss to us your business goals and objectives para alam namin na in line tayo. Identify the types of products you want to import from countries like Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand. Why it's important, this step is very crucial so as we can ensure that we understand your needs and can offer personalized recommendation based on your business type. So we can explore product option and supplier matching. So it is very important for us na alam namin kung ano yung gusto mong products na i-import. Browse through the wide range of products available for importation. CY Go Direct will help you connect with trusted suppliers or on your target countries. Choose the products that align with your market demand and business vision. So what are the available products na pwede mong i-import? Of course, meron yung mga t-shirt, shorts, dress, undergarments, shoes, slippers, sando, kids shirts, leggings, and many more. For the Vietnam products, they have shirt, shorts, dress, shoes. Thailand products, they have shirt, shorts, dress, kids apparels. And of course, for the Bangladesh products, they have shirt, shorts, polo shirt, dress, kids apparel, and so many more. So ito yung mga sample ng mga products na pwede mong import direct, no? Sobrang dami ng product na available sa kanila. So you can just tell us ano ba yung mga products na gusto mo so we can outsource it for you. So how to set up your distribution network? We are going to help you as well with your setup, marketing and sales strategies, and an ongoing support and scaling. So what to do? Build a distribution system with the help of CY Go Direct Importation Business Consultant. Learn how to establish channels for delivering products to your customers, including retail and online distribution model. Receive guidance on inventory management and fulfillment systems. So we can, of course, register you or, give you recommendations through our networks of shipping couriers such as JNT. So why it's important, a solid distribution network is very essential. So ang una nating gagawin dyan ay gumawa ng distribution network para sa'yo. It is essential for us reaching your customers efficiently and scaling your business. Marketing and sales strategy, of course, kasama ni dyan ang paggawa ng tailored marketing strategy to promote your imported products. CY Go Direct provides support in crafting effective and online and offline marketing campaigns. Learn digital marketing techniques to maximize reach and attract customers. So why it is important? Again, effective marketing increases product visibility, generates sales, and build brand awareness. So dito, increasing globalization, technological advancement, evolving regulatory landscape. Of course, ongoing support and scaling kasi gusto namin na lahat ng company na magsisimula ng direct selling this 2025 lumago. So once you're up and running, CY Go Direct continues to offer ongoing support for you. You can access business insights, market trends, and further guidance to help you scale your importation business. Explore opportunities to expand your product range and enter new markets. And why it is important, continuous support ensures long-term success and sustainable growth. Dito, hindi ka lang magsisimula tapos iiwan ka na agad. Meron tayong mga business coaches na gagabayan ka talaga. So this is the CY marketing channels from CY Go Direct Importation. We're looking for nationwide bodega partners na sila na ang gagawa na kanilang provincial distributor, city distributor, sub-franchisee, and resellers. Hindi namin dito kailangan ng provincial and city kasi ang kailangan namin dito nationwide bodega partners na sila ang magkakaroon ng sarili nilang direct selling company. CY Go Direct Importation, 500K direct import package. Own choice mo na yan ng mga products na gusto mong mapaloob dun sa package mo, Bangladesh, Vietnam, or Thailand. Free DTI business name registration na yan. Free tarpaulin of your direct selling business. Free tabletop mannequin, free hangers, free clothing cart, free distribution setup, free social media account setup. Ibig sabihin yung FB page mo, TikTok account, FB group, TikTok shop, Shopee, Lazada, gagawan ka na rin namin yan para all-in na ang iyong e-com business. And of course, meron ka pang free marketing banners. Tutulungan at tuturuan ka din namin kung paano mo mamamanage ang iyong social media accounts. And of course, meron din tayo ditong CY Go Direct Importation. 150K naman ang direct import package. Own choice of products mo dito, mga mare. From Vietnam, Bangladesh, or Thailand, DTI business name registration mo, libre na din yan. Free tarpaulin of your direct selling business, free tabletop mannequin, free hangers, clothing cart, and distribution setup. Ito naman, meron ka na ding FB page at TikTok account and free marketing banners. Yun lang yung pinagkaiba nila. Wala tong TikTok shop, wala tong Shopee, walang Lazada. Ang meron lang po ay yung 500K direct import package natin. So kung hindi pa naman natin afford ang ating 500K at 150K, available naman ang ating CY Go Direct Importation per box packages. Meron tayo diyang mga assorted shirts for men, assorted shirts for women, premium quality products, and kids apparel, board short, cargo shorts, sando men, assorted shirts from Vietnam, assorted shirts from Thailand, Thailand dress and Vietnam dress, and some shoes packages din po. So our commitment to you at CY Go Direct Importation, our team is driven by shared commitment to simplifying the importation process and empowering businesses to thrive to the global marketplace. We are a diverse group of professionals with expertise in international trade, logistic, entrepreneurship, and customer support. And we have our business consultant all the way. Alright, so maraming salamat for watching. I hope you will start your own direct selling company soon and be the CEO of your business. So thank you so much again. This is Dr. Ram Dagdag from CY Go Direct Importation. May you have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you.